sees my effort, even when no one else does. I am not required to be perfect, only sincere. Every small act I do for my baby is an act of worship. Allah's mercy embraces me, even when I am exhausted. I am the mother my baby needs, loving, present, and real. I am never alone. Allah is close to my tired heart. My exhaustion is not wasted. Allah is writing it as reward. Every sleepless night, I endure matters to Allah. I am a good mother, even on the days I doubt myself. I am learning, growing, and adapting, not failing. My baby feels my warmth, even when I feel overwhelmed. I am worthy of gentleness with myself and my heart. Allah sees everything I carry, and He strengthens me. My journey is unique, and comparison doesn't serve me. My mistakes do not define me. My love does. Every tear I wipe and step I take is counted as patience. I am stronger than I realize, even on the hard days. I am healing, giving, and showing up. And that is enough. Subhanallah. Allah placed in me a love that grows despite the exhaustion. Rest is a mercy from Allah, and I allow myself to take it. Allah never burdens a soul beyond what it can bear, and I am capable. My baby sees my love, not my tiredness. I am raising a human soul, and that is a sacred responsibility. Allah's mercy surrounds me in every part of this journey.